My channel CSC Equations. Today I will discuss about the topic additions of matrices. It is a chapter of matrices in the 12th class. कैसे मैट्रिक्स को एडिशन किया जाता है ये आज हम जानेंगे, ठीक है। तो एक बात यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, एक एग्जाम्पल की तरह बता रहे हैं, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सपोज इफ A equals to 1 2 3 4 is a given matrix and another matrix suppose B equals to 2 1 3 1 another matrix. Firstly, these two matrix addition is possible or not, then go to matrix addition. Okay, suppose here find out, here find A plus B. Your question is A plus B. Find out A plus B. Okay, alright. So first of all, your given question is, firstly check your given question of order is same or not. Here first, A is a matrix, given matrix, A is a matrix, A equals to 1 2 3 4 is the 2 by 2 order. B is a matrix, 2 1 3 1 is order 2 by 2. In the addition of matrix, firstly we check order is same or not. Given matrix order is same, 2 by 2. Order B is the matrix of order 2 by 2. Alright. So here addition is possible or not? Here addition is possible because your order is same. In the addition of a matrix is what? Two matrix given. So first matrix order is 2 by 2. Second matrix is 2 by 2. Alright. Now, so here addition is possible. Here addition is possible. 1 2 3 4. Here 2 by 2 order plus 2 1 3 1. How to possible this? Firstly, entity. What is entity? It is the of elements of a matrix. Elements, that means number of values. So for A is a matrix 2 by 2 order. Row 1, row 2, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 1, column 2. So first 1 plus of value is 2 is add first value, first row in the first matrix plus second matrix first row first element is added. Okay, alright. Second first row second value plus of in the matrix 2 first row second value is 1. Alright. 3 in the second row first value plus of in the matrix number 1 A second row first value is 3 here now 3. Alright. Now 4 plus of 1, 4 plus 1. In this way we have two addition is possible. 1 plus 2 value is 3, 2 plus 1 value is 3, 3 plus 3 value is 6, 4 plus 1 value is 5. That is the matrix of answer is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. My dear student, I have tell that A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, B is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then find A plus B. It is possible. Okay. I am another concept here. Suppose your question is suppose your question is A is a matrix if 1 A is a matrix 1 2 3 4, B is a matrix of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose here find your question, suppose find A plus B, your example is placed here. So now what do you do now? First of all, given data A equals to 1 2 3 4, B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you check firstly in the matrix of A, order is 2 by 2. In the matrix of B, order is here 2 by 2 matrix, 2 row 2 columns. In the matrix of B, 2 row 3 columns. It is not possible because here 2 by 2, here 3 by 3. Suppose first of all 1 plus of 1, okay, alright. 2 plus 2, alright. Here no element, so 3, who elements is added? Okay. So it is A plus B is not found because the given matrix of A of order 2 by 2 and B of B matrix order 2 by 3. So it is not possible. Okay. In this way, I am add two matrices. Okay. Here your question here not possible because your same not order same. So matrix addition is not possible. Okay. Now subtraction of a matrix. Subtraction of matrix. I am given the examples. Then in the subtraction of matrix, subtractions of matrix as two matrices of same order, A is a matrix, B is a matrix of same order, then subtraction is possible. Okay, I am giving the examples. If A is a matrix of 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose B is a matrix of 3, 2, 2, 1, suppose, then find A minus B. Okay. Firstly, check your given data. Given data equal to given value A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 3, 2, 2, 1. First we check your order 2 by 2. Your order 2 by 2. Alright. So here A minus B possible. In the subtraction, your order first of all check. Order is same, then subtraction is possible. Order is not same, subtraction of matrix is not possible. Okay, alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The minus of 3, 2, 2, 1. Alright. 1 minus 3, first we 1 minus 3. 2 minus 2. Okay, alright. 3 minus 2. Alright. 4 minus of 1. Your value is this. 1 minus 3 value is minus 2. 2 minus 2 value is 0. 3 minus 2 is value 1. 4 minus 1 value is 3. Alright. It will be also 2 by 2. Today, my friends or my students, I am discussing about the topic matrix additions and matrix subtractions today. Okay. Some 2 or 3 examples I have given you. Comment my channels and subscribe. Any doubt, any problems given to us, then I am trying to best of my knowledge. All doubt are given to next video. Thank you. All right.